Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So now I will insert here a temperature sensor. It's a waterproof temperature sensor that will read the temperature of our water in this pond. Now I will insert here a ultrasonic sensor that will read the distance of water from this ultrasonic sensor. Here we used a pH sensor that will read the pH value of this water, and you know that pH value is most important part for fish farming, and in this system we can measure the pH value by using this sensor. And here you see that our sensor is connected with our water properly, and in this system we used here a SMPS for make sure proper power supply, one buck converter also used here, and one temperature sensor node MCU connector, relay module, LCD display and pH sensor. And also we used here a water pump to control the water level of this pond. Here we will check the pH value by using a lemon juice. It's a real lemon, and I insert this juice in this 1 cup of water, and another cup of water is inserted here detergent to measure the pH value. So we power on this system now, and it's showing fish farming system, and in this system we will measure pH value, temperature and water level also, and by using this water level we can control our water pump to maintain the water level of this pond. And now this pH sensor is connected with our normal water of this pond. That's why our pH value is showing 5.99 or nearest 6. So it's showing 6 pH value, and now we will change the position of this pH sensor to our lemon juice, and in this lemon juice pH value will be reduced less than 4, and we will monitoring here it's showing pH value 3, and we can see the exact value in our LCD display. It's 3.65 or 63 in lemon juice. So now we need to clear this lemon juice from this pH sensor. That's why we wash this pH sensor using normal water. Now its normal water pH value will be shown in our Blynk app. You see here that here pH value is 5 now, and you can see exact value for pH sensor in our LCD display. It's 5.43, and now we will change the position of pH sensor to our detergent mixed water, and it will be more than 7. I think it's showing pH value is 7.68 or 6. Our pH value is also showing in our Blynk app, it's showing 7 in detergent water. And now we will again restore this pH sensor to our pond, and then you will see that pH value will be reduced again and it's 6.12. And now our system is measuring pH value properly, and we need to measure our temperature sensor value. It's 27 now and it will be showing in degree Celsius. So now I just press this temperature sensor, you will see that temperature value will be increased here. Human body temperature will be more than 31 degrees Celsius. So it's showing 30.81, or it will be improved more than 31 degrees Celsius. So I will restore this temperature sensor in our water of this pond, and now this temperature sensor will read the temperature of this water. So it's reduced the temperature. It's showing 28 degrees Celsius in our Blynk app. So our temperature sensor is also working here properly. Now we will check our ultrasonic sensor, and in this system ultrasonic sensor will control this water pump by the measuring the distance of water from this ultrasonic sensor. So now distance is high, that's why water pump is on now, but when I will reduce the distance, it's now 1, then our water pump will be stay in off condition. So when again we increase the distance, it will be turned on, and this operation will be continuously happening here. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.